Hello and welcome to the practice question number 13 of CKA 2026. Might be 2027 also, but now 2026. So Kubernetes Nginx TLS configuration. So an Nginx deployment named Nginx static is running in the Nginx static namespace. The application is configured using a config map named Nginx config. Currently, the Nginx configuration allows both TLS v1.2 and TLS v1.3 connections. Your task is to update the config map so that only TLS version 1.3 are allowed. Trace should be blocked. Restart and recreate or scale resources if necessary for the changes to take. Validate the configuration using curl command. After the modification, the following command must fail and the following command must work. So basically 1.3 should work and rest of the should fail. So first we'll create means we'll start, but here config map is mentioned. So there are two types. If it's a mutable and immutable. If the config map is immutable, then you have to recreate it and do it, because if it is immutable it won't allow any changes. So start. Basically this lab is created to practice. So paste, I'm pasting it, but you should write those commands so that because it would be in your muscle memory. So create a namespace and then generate a self certificate TLS certificate. So paste it, then create a TLS secret, paste. I have prepared with all steps so that you don't worry for that scenario. Now create a deployment post to cluster page there. So I need to make entry. Now let's test this. So hello from Nginx. So 1.2 is working. Paste this. 1.3 is also working. This might not work, I think so, because no, it's resolved. But anyway, these two are working. So we have to modify it. So only 1.3 should work. So Control L. So first of all, whenever you are trying to solve any change or something, you need to kgate node should be your first commands. So here a single node is there. So kgate pods. So sorry, kgate deployment, kgate ns. So here the Nginx static is you are finding that it is there. So kgate deployment Nginx -n Nginx static. So one deployment is running. So now you can get pods. So one pod is running. Okay, coming back to the question. So first of all, get cm. So Nginx config. So need to take the backup of that Nginx config map. So get cm -n Nginx static -o pml, and then pc cm .yml. I always not touch BCM. So that ntbcml. So here you will see here the transaction here, if you will see here, is supported 1.2 and 1.3. So 1.1 is not working here because I had not made any entry for 1.1. So no issue. We need to remove this TLSV. Okay, if the config map is immutable, then you need to take a backup, delete that config map, and then recreate it. And then so Control L, edit here. You need to change this. You need to remove it. Not needed here, but only here. Here this is a command only, but you can, for the sake of reading, you can do that. So config map is edited. Now we have to get pods -n Nginx static. No, it is same 6 minutes. So k rollout restart deploy -n Nginx static deployment, and deployment name is Nginx static dan. So k get pods -n Nginx static. So it's running now. So if you run that command of this, it should fail. So it is not working now. But if this 1.3, it is working. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet in our next video series sooner. I think